Branch Ave, Providence, taking Mimi for a walk. It's crazy. Yeah. It's cracking. Yeah. I'm seeing how I got 7 subscribers. It's so awesome. It's so awesome, guy. I'm like, wow, I got 7 subscribers. I'm like, I don't even have any channels because any uploaded videos except for these 2 I just made. But, yeah, I want to start making YouTube videos once I get a vehicle. I want to start making some serious vlog, stoner videos, kid. Going crazy. Going to dispensaries. And testing flavors. But yeah, I need to get a better camera and get up on the recording game. But stay blazing, stay blazing, stay blazing. So I'll be making some good ass blazing videos. Oh, walking at the people. Stop, baby. Stop barking. Be nice. Be nice. See? Barking dogs in public. Crazy. Here's another one. Come on. Come on, me. Good girl. Good girl, mama. See? Barks at everybody. Tell them what the deal is. You know? Good girl, me. Go pee now. Alright, you guys. Just a quick little video outside. You know, I want to start doing vlogs once I get a camera and shit. Going places. Making serious fire videos. Fire content. Serious close-up to all the fire bud that I be getting. Going to all these dispensaries, dude. I'm gonna start doing, like, just crazy footage, dude. I'll be going up at all these dispensaries with cameras regardless. No. But I'll be getting merch. Shit'll be popping. Alright, yo. Have a nice day.